Ciao amici, welcome to Atlanta, Georgia. I'm Master Leo Spizzirri on location at the NAFEM Show. Come on over here, going real fast. I want to show you what we're going to be doing. I made this morning some beautiful focaccia. I'm talking about real traditional focaccia, and I'm going to be baking it actually for the first time in this brand new, beautiful, looks like a Vegas showgirl in my opinion. This is the brand new MS series on the electric line of Marra ovens. MS stands for what? MS, metal square, right? This is really cool. So all electric, has the almost that old school gas oven look to it. Maybe you know what that looks familiar. I'm not gonna say the name. But anyways, I'm gonna bake these beautiful focaccia right now. I'm gonna load the oven. Dan, you wanna watch me? That's all good. And then let's take a look at how these things bake together, because I guarantee this is the first time anybody's ever tried to make focaccia in this side of oven. Focaccia bread is this beautiful, light, airy, flaky, crispy on the bottom. Let's call it a bread, right? Every region in Italy has their own version. Today, I'm gonna make something that's more Southern Italian with maybe a twist like you recognize maybe here in America. Danny, come here.
Ready, huh?
This, I don't know if you could pick this up. Listen. Can you hear the sizzling? How amazing is this? I used some beautiful Stanislaw Alta Cucina tomatoes on top of this. I literally took the tomatoes out of the puree in the can. I picked the tomatoes into pieces and then I dimpled them into the dough. The dough is really simple. I made a focaccia out of my Detroit dough using Caputo Nuvola flour. And we're probably somewhere about 75% hydration. And what you're gonna see here is the result. Beautiful, high, light, airy. And if everything goes good, this brand new Marra oven is gonna make an incredible focaccia.